Hi friends, myself Sharmila Oswal. Since last 10 years, more than a decade, I'm running NGO called Green Energy Foundation. I work with the farmers, I work with the water issues, agriculture, energy and food security. So it's the nexus what I've been working since last 10 years. While working this, I'm from the state of Maharashtra where farmers are doing maximum suicides are from Maharashtra. So this has really affected me to do something for the farmers. After all that, another incident which affected in my life, my best friend, she died because of cancer. Now cancer, if you see like at the very early age, people are dying because of the food, what we are eating everyday chemical, the food with the chemicals. So what we are eating is a chemical. So ultimately this all series which has affected my life, and I started to give up a thought to start this venture startup called Basilia. In the Basilia, I have come up with the solutions for the food which is chemical with the highest percentage of pesticides. So avoiding these kind of diseases, how you can live the disease-free life. We are living in the pandemic. How can you have this strong immunity? So considering all this, Basilia is dealing with 100% organic food where we are making sure the soil is enriched with the all, or even if the fertilizers are used, it is in an organic way. So in this way, the whole efforts are to make the organic food, making our health and the lives very holistic and healthy lives and the strong immunity. How we are going to do that? We have already now seen in the month of July we have registered Basilia as a startup venture. So we are launching on the coming Dashera 25th. So the stage is still we are at the inception, and One Organic is a brand which we have registered under Basilia. So the whole intention is with the sustainable, creating sustainable livelihoods for farmers, hand-holding with them, even creating a model for farmers, directly taking the produces from farmers, training the farmers because farmers are not able to afford the organic certifications. We want to make it affordable. You are finding a lot of organic ventures all around, but they are for the niche people. I mean, any masses or the middlemen or ordinary people can't afford. So is that mean that the common people of this country can't afford to eat organic food? So friends, in a nutshell, we want to create accessible, affordable market for organic food. Which way we can create, we can give holistic health to the masses of this country, also creating the sustainable livelihoods to farmers, empowering farmers,